Uniswap value equivalent to $4.0713 a coin. The present reach: $4.0244, $4.0850. The earlier day close: $4.0261. The change was plus 0.0452, plus 1.12%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $4.46. Most extreme cost $4.69, least cost $3.25. The normal for the month $3.97. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.49, change for October 21.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $3.49. Greatest cost $4.11, least cost $2.82. The normal for the month $3.36. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.03, change for November 13.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $3.03. Most extreme cost $3.31, least cost $2.87. The normal for the month $3.08. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.09, change for December 2.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.09. Most extreme cost $3.09, least cost $2.42. The normal for the month $2.80. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.60, change for January 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2.60. Greatest cost $3.23, least cost $2.60. The normal for the month $2.86. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.02, change for February 16.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at $3.02. Greatest cost $3.39, least cost $2.95. The normal for the month $3.13. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.17, change for spring 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.17. Most extreme cost $3.17, least cost $2.72. The normal for the month $3. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.92, change for April 7.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.92. Greatest cost $2.92, least cost $2.45. The normal for the month $2.73. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.63, change for May 9.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at $2.63. Greatest cost $2.63, least cost $2.28. The normal for the month $2.50. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.45, change for June 6.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $2.45. Most extreme cost $2.59, least cost $2.25. The normal for the month $2.43. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.42, change for July 1.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2.42. Most extreme cost $3.01, least cost $2.42. The normal for the month $2.67. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $2.81, change for August 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.81. Greatest cost $2.81, least cost $2.31. The normal for the month $2.60. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.48, change for September 11.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $2.48. Most extreme cost $2.48, least cost $1.93. The normal for the month $2.24. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.08, change for October 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $0.90. Most extreme cost 90 cents, least cost 71 cents. The normal for the month 82 cents. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end 76 cents, change for December 15.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.76. Greatest cost 94 cents, least cost 76 cents. The normal for the month 84 cents. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end 88 cents, change for January 15.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $0.88. Greatest cost $1.06, least cost 88 cents. The normal for the month 95 cents. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end 99 cents, change for February 12.5%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.99. Most extreme cost 99 cents, least cost 77 cents. The normal for the month 90 cents. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end 83 cents, change for spring 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $0.83. Most extreme cost 83 cents, least cost 65 cents. The normal for the month 75 cents. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end 70 cents, change for April 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Initially cost at $0.70. Most extreme cost 87 cents, least cost 70 cents. The normal for the month 77 cents. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end 81 cents, change for May 15.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.81. Greatest cost $1.01, least cost 81 cents. The normal for the month 89 cents. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end 94 cents, change for June 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $0.94. Most extreme cost $1.17, least cost 94 cents. The normal for the month $1.04. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.09, change